Okay, so I have a 2005 Toyota Tacoma, 6-speed, 4-liter, and it's got, let's see what the mileage is here. 265,000 miles. Is that right? Yeah, 265,000 miles on it. And the clutch went out on me here. Not the clutch, but the gear shift. I couldn't get it into reverse, which is over here. This is just like, I don't know what this is doing. And I had to drive about 300 miles without reverse or first. So I'm going to pull this out, which involves taking the cup holder out, taking these screws out, taking this monkey out of here, and then seeing if I can fix it. Alright, so I got this aftermarket thing on, which was very hard to get off. Wow, so I can start to pull out. Wait a second, how does this come out? Let me figure out how this comes out, then I'll turn the video back on. Okay, so it looks like I need to take this off to get to, oh, that was easy, to get this off here. I think they're kind of connected somehow. So let's do that now. Alright, so it all came out one piece. It's supposed to come out in two pieces, but I don't know what all this stuff is. So I want to get to this here. I'm thinking this is for the emergency brake, which I hope it is, because mine really needs to be adjusted. So if I can adjust that, that would be awesome from right here. Alright, so I got the part. Hopefully it's gonna fit. From BMN Precision Shifter Equipped. Okay, so this is it right here. And hold on, try to get it out with one hand. This is what it looks like. I don't know what this is for. It's kind of interesting. This is the old one. Looks like about the same. Check out the bottom. Oops. That's the bottom of this one. And this is the bottom of this one. Thinking they look pretty much the same. Gonna go ahead and try them out. Alright, let's stop recording. Okay, so it slid right into place. Now, let's see. Whoops, I can't really do anything until I mount it, huh? So I think I might want to dry fit it. Grab these bolts down here, which I think are the right ones. And see what happens if I mount this. So this is the gasket sealant I need to put around here before I mount this babushka, and it says to continue speed, assemble parts immediately while it is wet, finger tighten until material begins to squeeze out. Okay, let dry for an hour and then tighten to torque specifications. Okay, so getting it back together, put this boot on. They have this nice nut right here, which means when you put your knob on, yeah, that's it, you can tighten it in the exact location where you need it, so it lines up right there, so you know where reverse is. Oh, by the way, it's nice because I realized that the adjustment for the emergency brake is here, because it was not tight at all. So I need to clean this up and then take this thing for a test drive. Alright, so I'm driving it and it's very positive. Let me put it that way. When you're in gear, it clicks. I'm not used to that happening. And the gears are very tight and close together. Hold on, I'm trying to pull down my driveway here. Alright, so alright, we're in second now. I can't really do this videotaping, but it works really good. I was afraid there was something wrong with my transmission, but really all it was just the bushing, really. But I wanted to get a whole new thing, and I drained all my oil and put red line in, so hopefully I've got another 75,000 miles. And like I said, if you can hear it, so we're in first, right? Yep. All right, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.